chicken.
We live?
We are live.
We are live. All right. So here we go with episode 2 of Hub City Heat, coming to you live from the fabulous terrazzo room of the Chestnut Center for the Arts. We did a change of location because there's fewer dogs here and better lighting and more space. And also I have a key. So anyway, I'm here with Zack and Mike from Toy Guns. Marshfield's, I don't know how you describe yourselves.
A band.
A Marshfield band. They're a band from Marshfield.
Yeah.
They've got a couple of local shows coming up, which we'll get to once the sauces are flowing. All right, well let's get into it. We start with sriracha. No big deal.
Easy.
It's basically ketchup.
Yeah, the funny part is I remember when this was like the big spicy thing. You know?
Right?
Everybody's like, oh, sriracha, so spicy.
Well, it's funny how like artificial flavor is heating up. I remember back in my day you had plain and cheese, and then everything started being ranch, and then everything went buffalo. Now everything is sriracha.
Right?
All right.
Cheers. Cheers.
Wow, these are dry as shit when they're cold.
More sauce will leave you, I feel like.
So I know Toy Guns has been around a long time. Your dad's in Toy Guns. Is that how you got in Toy Guns?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much.
I started running sound for him at first, but yeah. Then eventually, yeah.
And then you're originally playing guitar, and then you switched to bass, and now you keep getting these gigs in California, so just in case you're not available, they had him start playing bass, and now they're like, well, he's just going to stay on bass, so now you're back on guitar?
Yeah, whatever we got to happen.
Whatever you need to fill out your band for.
Literally, yeah.
Yep.
Our titles aren't permanent.
Never. Except Tom, he's always the same.
Yes, it's just Tom vocals. Tom seems to get a shout out in every one of these videos.
Well, that's because he's not here.
Yeah.
Or because you're all in love with them. I mean,
Who doesn't love Tom? He's just so cuddly. Especially at the end of the show when he's all sweaty.
Oh, that's my favorite part.
Yeah. Alright, so sriracha's no big deal. I think we can move on to sauce too, which not a huge deal, but it's a different flavor. We have Valentina Black Label.
That sounds romantic.
It comes from that exotic parlor of Walmart. The international food section.
Never been. With the
Is there salsa on there?
Salsa picante. It's just how you say hot sauce in Spanish.
once more, Steve.
Now, apparently...
You didn't even finish your sriracha.
He's just building a sauce mountain there. Levels. It has layers. All right. Here we go.
I'm going to taste better.
Well, it depends on who you ask whether sriracha is actually considered a hot sauce or not. Technically, it's an Asian chili paste. But I try to give different flavors throughout the lineup, keep things interesting. So it's not just constant habanero, which I feel like habanero is way overused in hot sauces. It's just habanero on its own is just kind of gross.
I've never had it.
It's a good amount of heat, but the flavor itself not great.
It's all about the flavor.
So you guys have, let's see, I know at least 2 shows coming up hopefully, because you have...
We do?
Yeah. Well, he does anyway.
I know of one.
Me too.
I thought you guys were playing at Vise with Downgrade, and then at Elixir also with Downgrade.
We were supposed to play Advisor Downgrade, but I think there was something else going on in town that weekend, so that show kind of got rescheduled and moved.
Okay. So it'll come up eventually. I mean, there's nothing quite like packing Vise bar, which I assume you guys do just by putting your equipment in it.
Yeah.
That's the fun part of the show.
It's like, we had a packed house, and like, so 5 people got in along with the equipment?
Yeah, we need a bigger trailer.
As long as 5 people, well, I don't know, you have everything in the trailer to come here.
Yeah, but we didn't even fill the room with our equipment.
I know.
We actually had to bring people that
I
time.
figured that room is probably the size of Bonnie's. But so you have Elixir coming up with Downgrade, and that's what it's in March.
March 3rd, I believe.
Yeah.
3rd.
It's gonna be a really fun show.
I wish Elixir would start booking more bands, because every time they do, they make a lot of money. So you think they would book more, but I suppose it is more work for them.
They do a good job of promoting, I'll give them that.
They do. I've seen at least 4 different Facebook events for this show.
Yeah, they always do that. It's very
All
odd.
right. So this sauce I just got on Friday. I tried it once.
So this is brand new.
Yes. This is called Purple Hippo. It's a prickly pear cactus based hot sauce mixed with strawberries and scorpion peppers. It's kind of watermelony.
That's it,
but
sounds
it also
sweet.
hurts.
Well, that's the scorpion part, right?
Right.
So
Katie,
we're,
who's filming, got me a 1-month subscription to a hot sauce of the month club, and this is one of the sauces they sent
This
me.
is not sauce of the month. There we go.
And they just send you one every month?
They actually sent 3.
there's a bunch of options you can do. One of them you get like 6 of them or something, but that
Yeah.
was a little pricey.
Well, actually, Hot Ones, whose concept we're blatantly ripping off here, they started doing a subscription box, and I looked at it and I'm like, wow, that's $60 a month. I'm not really bad. Here we go.
That's interesting.
Now I'm starting to taste a little hot.
The fruitiness gets you first, and then it's the back burner.
Title your tape.
Wow. That sounds awful.
What?
She said it's a back burner was the title of my sex tape.
No, the whole statement. A little fruity at first, and then it's a back burner.
Okay.
All together. It's a long title.
Yeah, it's a different kind of flavor to it. It's almost like candy. It's a little painful. Take a little tongue a little bit.
For the milk. Do you need some milk?
It's so good tasting, though.
We had, just like the last time, we had milk and water. No beer this time, and no ice cream.
No vodka.
No vodka.
Well, no Grey Goose. No Grey Goose this time.
I'm still not convinced the vodka helped. I don't care what you guys say.
I didn't say it. Danny did. Nothing helped.
I can't imagine any of them. Yeah, that's church.
And this is Simon.
Hi, Simon. He's just here to spectate.
That's right. Who's your leader, Cole?
Oh, and number 3.
Yeah. We just finished Purple Hippo.
Does it start to go numb after a certain?
You know, I've
No.
had that happen. This is the 10th time I've done this.
It's not his first rodeo. Is there a flashbang on your table? There it is. Okay, just checking.
I should probably have a third question here, but I'm just going to move on to the next sauce because it has a delightful name that will inspire conversation. Because this is the famous Professor Fort Converse colon cleanser.
Why don't you show the camera? It's really.
It has a picture of an old man on it.
Can you pass me that milk, please?
It says hot sauce
Thank you very
of capsaicin extremis. It's basically a habanero mustard.
It looks like a mustard.
It is.
Station?
Oh, well, capsaicin is what makes all peppers hot.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the chemical. Which is why water doesn't help as much as you think it would. Well, that's an excessive.
I was going to say, dang. No.
Yes, in researching new sauces, I found out that mustard base is its own category. I'm like, well, I should probably have one of those in there.
I think it seems really good.
I think it's tasty. Katie thinks it's painful.
It is. I don't like
Probably
mustard
is.
anyway, so.
I mean, it probably tastes good, but it's painful.
Katie finds the ranchero sauce and tacos are really spicy.
Also, mild barbecue wings are very spicy to me.
All right.
You're like, I got too much of this.
I'm gonna do it. All right.
Cheers.
I want to talk to you. Right.
My face is, you know,
I wouldn't ask. Yeah.
Yeah. You know, the worst part is,
Around.
I mean, doing these with actual wings, the worst part is getting the sauce on your lips.
I'd say this one's slightly hotter than that one.
Yeah, the problem is I have 3 that have fruity undertones to them, and I didn't want them all in a row.
Makes sense. Okay, good, because when this one was number 3, I was starting to get a little worried. I'm like,
Yeah. play with the spice levels a little bit.
okay, so we're not in 1 from 10 level anymore.
No.
Good.
I mean,
Okay.
8, 9, 10 are there in that order for that.
Everything else
for
now
reason.
is whatever it is.
Right. We start with sriracha. We start easy. We end with pain.
Yep. So much pain.
Purple hip.
All right. So I would be remiss if I didn't ask you guys. So what guitars are you playing these days? Because are you just playing his bass mostly?
right now, yes.
Okay.
Before I made the transition from guitar to bass, I just rebuilt my whole guitar rig and I fell in love with it. And then I hear bass. I'm like, okay, it's something new. I'll try it, but
Yeah, but you're really good at it. See, that's the problem.
people think it's easier.
Never before have I heard our drummer say, well, he actually keeps me in time. Which is the way it's supposed to work, I think, at least.
But and you typically play your Les Paul these days, right? The fancy white one. You're that your fancy Dean.
Yeah, or
Sexy.
the PRS. Or
Zack has several very sexy guitars.
whatever I bring. It depends on the gig, you know, because Les
Yeah.
Paul's very nice, but sometimes it's a little too nice when you want to.
Right.
You got to be careful with
It's
it.
like your accessories for your outfit. You got to play it to the outfit.
Well, exactly. You
It's like
don't
I
want to
wanna-
wear something really nice in a mosh pit.
I wouldn't wear a tuxedo to this show,
Yeah.
so I can't play the Les Paul.
But sometimes, like, I want the guitar that I'm not so worried about this PRS because it's missing most of its paint.
His PRS, which is going to be POS.
I have a bad habit with wanting to customize my guitars. The only issue with doing that on bass is that they're not mine.
Yeah.
I did break the bass last time I was in California. I punched the pick out in,
Oh,
so.
you'll have that.
Yeah.
Bloody pick guards.
Did you say bloody pick cards?
Yeah.
Are we British?
No, he's bleeding on it.
Literally bloody.
You don't remember that?
Well, that was so long ago. Yeah, I remember that now.
Oh, there's some good
No,
stuff.
but when you start bleeding while you're playing, it gets a little bit weird. Because at first, you know, usually you have all the stage lights, so you can't tell colors all that well. And you're playing, you're like, oh, I must be sweating a lot or something. You know, my pick's kind of wet. And a little bit later, your pick starts to get a little bit kind of sticky, you know. And then it kind of gets even weirder and weirder, and then you realize that it wasn't sweat.
Boy, am I glad you're talking about bleeding.
It's fascinating.
All right. So, this next one is Dirty Dicks. It's another fruity one. This is a Caribbean hot sauce. So it's made with mangoes, and I'm surprised the bananas are in this.
There's a banana in that.
I'm not sure if it's
Well, not a whole banana, but banana has
It's also
some
sweetened
extent.
with raisins. I think it's a tasty little sauce. I like to do spoonfuls of this one in the morning.
Bananas, raisins, and mangoes.
But, how do they describe it? Aggressive branding, because it is called Dirty Dicks.
It is.
Uh-huh.
I've always had a weird opinion on raisins, so we'll see how this goes. Just shaking chicken.
I've been paying close attention to how much danger it puts on these tenders because
Yeah, we're getting into the one that's important.
This is a good point. He's the experienced one here.
And he's not kidding about the spoonful of sauce in the morning. He's been doing that.
I do a spoonful of hot sauce.
It's probably good for your health.
It's not.
Hot sauce, and
Yes,
then,
it is.
Not for your ulcers?
which we're not. It hasn't been confirmed that I have an ulcer. We just think I have it.
It's just yeah.
All right.
sauce.
Dirty Dicks. All right.
Who knows, man, dude?
There's the mango.
It's sweet, but not overly so, like some of them. Normally, I'm not a mango fan in hot sauce.
What do you like mangoes in general?
I do, but mango hot sauce, because it's always mango habanero. Habaneros.
What's this one you do? Like it's Lord's Clippers?
The first ingredient is habanero, so that's where you're getting the.
It's really not even that's hot.
They balance it out nicely with all the fruit. It's almost like a jerk sauce, like a Jamaican jerk sauce.
It's got, yeah.
But, you know, a couple, one little dirty dicks in there all. Yeah, I didn't say something about it.
Maybe that's really just for the puns about the dicks.
Yeah, maybe that's just.
Maybe that's why, yeah.
I would do that.
Needed another phallus in it.
You can never have too many phalluses in your sauces.
Oh, his coat sucks, and I gotta grab my coat.
I heard that.
It's not that bad.
You're just gonna trip a little bit. It's
A
fine.
little lean.
Yeah, I don't have much to say about dirty dicks.
Danger, do you have any other questions
You know,
about
I've got a
upcoming?
couple that I thought of, but I'm trying to space them out.
Well, I'm just thinking the last three, they might end up having
I know,
difficulty.
it's fun to
Speaking.
ask the questions in the last three because you can't talk.
Oh, your gray cells are on fire.
Right. Now, this is the sauce that was the first one where everyone left the room after eating it on Tuesday. It's
Danger?
called Pain is Good.
I like that one.
You want me to close it?
Everyone's in here, so.
Okay. Alright, cool.
That's Ted.
I'm Ted.
Hi, Ted.
What are you guys doing?
Torture.
I'm interviewing them while we eat increasingly hotter hot sauces.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Be here for a little bit, Steve?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to talk to you about Husky Trumpet on Friday.
Great.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Sorry to interrupt. I'm closing the door.
Okay. So this is a habanero garlic sauce. The guy is screaming on the front.
Let's really get that in there. Yep.
Now,
Mike, we should put you on a hot sauce.
this is Pain is Good batch 37. Each one of their different sauces they call a different batch, and they have a different person screaming on the front.
Mike?
Sometimes I do spoonfuls of this one, and then I'm really unhappy with it. Because it burns a little bit.
Okay. Cool. That last one was not burning too bad. Yeah, I see more.
Apparently, I like to put this one at number 6.
There we go. We'll just put a little more. That's the answer. Mike, you're swimming in it.
All right, so ask Mike the next question. All right, here we go.
That one tastes spicy.
Yeah, it says garlic style, but all it tastes is habanero. It's like you just ground up a bunch of habaneros and put it in a bottle.
I agree.
Which I guess it kind of did.
Oh, it gets worse as you go.
Yep.
Oh yeah, that one sneaks up on you.
Why don't you ask the question now, Danger? Seems like a good time.
I'm part of Portuguese, so we have somewhat of a tolerance.
Which
for
part?
sauces. Well, I wasn't born here, but
Oh.
I'm originally from Massachusetts.
I was going to say, if it's your angle of Portuguese, it's not going to help you. All right, it's not a video if we don't start making dad jokes.
Yep. That's how we do.
Yeah, we can give that one a second to breathe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did this.
Another.
I should have gotten a second thing first here. This makes
Simon, if you'd like some-
Story.
If you'd like some hot sauce, Simon, on some
yeah,
chicken,
no,
I'm
no,
sure.
Put some on the Whopper.
Yeah, you can make an angry Whopper that was actually spicy.
Burn.
I got the angry Whopper. I'm like, this seems more like a mildly annoyed Whopper. I'm definitely angry. But they had a deal where 2 Whoppers for
It's a 2 for $6. And I go and I
How you doing?
I go and I order 1, and they're like, just 1? I'm like, yep. Like, sure you don't want to? I'm like, unless, like, are you gonna bully me into buying 2 sandwiches?
Yes.
I only want 1. I realize
can get one, but it's only.
I'm a fat person. I'm like, all right, I will buy 2, but you have to show me the place in the restaurant where I can take my pants off and open the Jeep while I eat it.
That's the whole place. Welcome to the BK Lounge. Your sadness is welcome here.
Welcome to the BK Lounge.
Did you ask me if you want to offer again?
No. It's only pull forward. They're just trying to get rid of me at that point. You sure you don't want to go to McDonald's?
Deidre, I think you had a question, didn't you?
I didn't. I thought of one, and then Mike started talking about being Portuguese, and I lost it.
Was it anything about any of the shows or anything with the band? Dangerfest?
So, how's that recording going?
Next question.
We actually recorded some drums yesterday, so.
Toy Guns has an album coming out eventually. We're,
Good things come to those who wait.
they're on the Chinese democracy schedule. It'll come out at some point.
Well,
Stay tuned.
Yeah.
I think we did aim for a general time frame, but
when did we do
now
that?
we're going like Tool and System of a Down, and then just not going to say anything.
And then suddenly one day it'll just post online, hey, it's an album.
Well, the problem is, we have these songs, and we want to get them recorded and get them out, but then we keep playing them live, and then we change them and make them, at least in our opinion, a little bit better. You know, so we never actually get anything done. We just keep changing what we already have.
It's evolving. It's fine. It's a creative process.
What we should have done, we could have just recorded the first version of the album, the second version, the third version, the fourth version. Be the same songs.
But they're not.
This is how we're playing it.
You could do the first version as a live version, and then once they're all tweaked, the final.
Hey, don't threaten us. This guy's already got some hidden tracks, something about moving his car in the driveway or something. I don't know. We'll have to load the recording software in the night.
Well, as long as Thunder Lovin' ends up on the album. For the unfamiliar, Thunder Lovin' is a song that they do, which Tom, the singer, likes to apologize for before they play it. I don't know why.
He's the one who wrote it.
I know.
I mean, I wrote the music, but he wrote all the lyrics, which is the part he apologized.
He came up with the lyrics, just making them up off the top of his head, and you go, yep, that's the song. So he blames it on you.
No. I wrote a song, and the funny part about Thunder Loving is it's very different sounding than the rest because I wrote it on bass, not guitar.
Right. It's your most danceable tune.
Well, that's because it's got that groove.
All right, so this next one is Elijah's Extreme Reaper Sauce.
Oh, no.
It's a blend of black cherries, cranberries, Carolina Reaper peppers with a splash of Kentucky bourbon.
Did you say cried berries?
Fried berries. See? Well, it's only one way to find out.
Builds character. Stare at your chest, and then burns it off.
You gotta mentally prepare.
Iron Kentucky bourbon.
You like bourbon?
It's just interesting.
Depends on what time of night it is. If it's the time of night where I can sell him a giant version of Ian's head, he'll be fine.
You're one of our buyers?
Yeah, he bought one of the head.
That was my favorite sales pitch ever.
He does own Ian's head. Well, all of his face, really.
Where is he?
Ian?
Well, his cutout.
One of them.
Well, we taped him to a kick drum, and then we taped him to a bass head. And I haven't seen him since. Oh, and then he was at the 400 block.
Yeah.
I guess I haven't seen him after the 400 block this summer.
I heard Robbie.
I have a theory he went around and picked them all up himself.
Because I've heard that the one that was on the wall of Goodfellas is gone.
Yeah, it definitely wasn't there yet.
He only had to keep it up for a month. That was our deal.
Title of your tape?
Yeah.
Hurtful,
It would be.
but accurate.
It'd be very hurtful. All right, here we go. So, Reaper sauce. It's almost dessert-like, and then it burns.
I'm waiting for that part.
Me too.
I just want to smell this one now.
If ever there would be a dessert hot sauce, I figure that's what it would taste like.
That was good.
All right, boys, we are through 7 sauces. We are through all of the easy shit.
Yay!
It all hurts.
So, oh boy.
Oh.
So, for our newer viewers, as we're trying to build an audience, do you want to do any background, really? About type of music, things like that?
Yeah, sure. We tried to describe the band earlier, and we established that they are a band.
I came up with another word, folks.
Okay.
We're a rock and roll band.
All right, rock and roll.
Yes. We're definitely not a country band.
That's more than a word.
Oh,
The third.
A
No.
couple of words.
get sassy with some hot sauce in them.
There's a apostrophe. There's apostrophes. It's a word.
A phrase. Just say
no hyphen
phrase.
in rock and roll.
No,
Under-lover.
it's rock apostrophe and roll.
See? She knows.
They are a rock and or roll band.
You know, this guy's, I'm trying to get into it. He just found out about Stevie Ray Vaughan like a couple months ago.
That is not true.
Yes, it is.
I knew about him. I just knew about Pride and Joy.
Accusations being thrown around.
Well, as long as we're doing mean things to each other,
Oh, God.
we've come to the bomb and insanity.
I think that one should be at the end, in my opinion.
You don't want to end on this.
It's a nightmare.
You lose friends.
It's
Well,
so
we have
bad.
this other thing for the ending, and there's another special mystery sauce next to him.
What?
It's
Yep.
not really a sauce.
So, this is the bomb beyond insanity.
The worst sauce, in my opinion.
Or did it disappear?
I was gonna say, there's literally nothing over here.
Is it in the bag?
No, I just moved the bag.
Well, let's.
No, it's behind the chair.
That's good sauce.
There's special
The fun sauce.
It's a sauce we can order.
So, I definitely watch how much I put on of this one. I hate this one. I make people do it just because I'm a dick. It tastes terrible. It hurts. There's nothing pleasant about it whatsoever.
Sounds like some of my favorite things.
It's bad. It's so bad.
This is the one that made Ian start doing the mouthwash motion. Just putting it in the mouth and spitting it out.
Is that what made him zone out?
I believe so.
Yeah, it's bad.
It's a thicker consistency.
On the last video, there's a portion where I'm just sitting by myself in the living room because the 3 of them are all trying to soothe their mouths.
We're all sharing the faucet and the milk.
This is where Danny tapped out after this one.
We can do it.
Belle did her best.
No getting up from the table.
You gotta get up and do a lap, you're fine. But just don't vomit.
You're going to want to yell about it.
Yep, that's all right.
There we go.
Cheers.
Uh-huh.
Adjusting meat to the plate.
Yep.
This is gonna hurt.
Welcome to the rock.
Forgot I had a bird on the top of my mouth. I remember now.
It'll remind you.
Yep, it's bad. Breathing makes it worse.
Just stop breathing.
Oxygen beats fire.
Chewing is pretty impressive. Like, you're just getting all in your mouth.
If he passes out, somebody catch him.
No, he's good. He may not be able to see, but he's good.
He's meditative about it.
It's all in your head.
No, it's not.
But it's all in your head.
That's how chemicals work.
So I found out that this brand makes one hotter. I'm like, no. I'm not fucking with that. Also, it seems like the perfect time to remind you, if you get sauce on your hands at any point, wash them before you touch your eyes or your genitals.
Did you have a question for them, Danger, that you wanted them to have to
Yeah, I'm
answer?
trying to get to it. That's the genitals at the moment.
Switching to the chocolate milk.
It is much more fun to watch this happen than be involved in it.
It was fun watching you do it. Because you were
We're also doing them a lot faster than we did on the other one.
It's almost worse when it takes longer.
No.
Yeah. Fire just keeps building.
You need to take a lap?
I might. The next one's not as hot, right? It tastes better, but it tastes better.
That's not really encouraging.
You beat DJ Khaled.
Oh, shit.
Did they beat Jim Gaffigan?
This, when Jim Gaffigan did Hot Ones, he got into the sauce and he tapped out.
My face is...
I mean, I did it. I did the whole gauntlet. You guys can do it. I got faith in you.
No, I'm just saying, it hurts.
It's terrible.
DJ Khaled
It's terrible.
did 4 sauces, so the goal is always to beat DJ Khaled.
Essentially.
About this level is like I can't do more.
Because he's a wuss.
My whole face is tingling.
Dangerous review is right. No. That's the review.
We did discover that cookies and cream ice cream helps a lot, but we didn't tell you that beforehand.
Thanks.
I didn't bring ice cream to this one. I didn't bring ice cream to this one fight.
I drink half of my chocolate milk with one sauce.
If you want to try the flashback.
I mean, you seem pretty chill. You seem just mad.
I'm just waiting for this boy to crack.
Alright.
Soldier on, guys. Soldier on.
Not yet.
Anyone like to sing a song? We have a Kumbaya moment.
This one's got to take a moment here.
I think we should sing the You Can Do It song, because I mean, it's kind of...
Do you feel it now, Mr. Krabs? How you feeling it, Mr. Krabs?
So, I don't know if you know who,
Chocolate milk then water. Try it.
Can't feel my face.
I don't know if you know who Eddie Huang is. He's a celebrity.
Okay, we're good, Ian. It said it. Yeah, we lost you. We saw a signal for a minute.
Okay.
Your dad's watching.
It was the bomb's fault. It was like EMP.
My face hurts.
Oh, is your mom going to watch this? I want to say hi, Mrs. Smith, if your mom's going to watch it.
Yeah, so Eddie Huang's philosophy was, you gotta start with the hottest one. So he went immediately to Megadeth sauce, and then he ran to the bathroom and vomited profusely. And apparently didn't wash his hands, because he came back to the table and they're doing it, and he was like, my dick is on fire. He's like, I'll be back. So he's just had this strange little Asian man running back and forth to the interview. All right.
What was that on the Scoville charts?
This one is about 350,000.
Okay.
It's an impressive number.
This one is 357. 357. Now, this one, the bottle's a bit empty because I like to put this one in eggs.
My face is still tingling. The problem is
And
I
gas
can't
out the kitchen.
drink any more milk.
You say that. Just try it. It'll be fine.
You'll find the room.
Katie hates it when I put this in my eggs because it does sort of create tear gas in the kitchen.
Uh-huh. No lie. I walk in the door. It's terrible.
Actually, I believe these two are higher on the Scoville scale than police grade pepper spray. But you're not eating that.
The
And
one that
danger.
just ate it?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Danger. Are those two some of your sauces that are not supposed to be used as a sauce?
These last two are not technically hot sauces, I found out. They're considered food additives because their Scoville score is too high to be considered a sauce.
So they're supposed to be added to other things.
Right.
I'm looking at this sauce and I'm not recommended for use without dilution.
Yep. That's the next one, though. This one says no such thing.
Okay.
Although it does have a disclaimer on it.
Is it the one where you can't feel your face? Because I've still got the tingly face thing going on. It makes his face tingly. Is this just me, right?
I agree, as indicated by my opening of this bottle as follows in connection with my purchase of this product. not inebriated or otherwise not of a sound mind, and I'm fully able to make a sound decision about the purpose of this project. And
You can't even talk.
Oh, God.
He gets the hiccups sometimes too, so we're hoping that happens.
Yeah.
Not this time.
Usually this one does it.
Yikes.
Oh boy. Do less than that.
Danger. What did you do?
I'm just gonna
Yeah, just get that cracked and at the ready.
I'm just really trying to procrastinate here for a minute.
You can do it. I'm a wuss and I did it. You can do it. There's only 2 left.
Okay,
That's it.
then Ian, Mr. I liked the video you're tagged in, who isn't here to volunteer us for this.
Maybe that's how we should do it. Once you do it, you get to volunteer.
Oh, you
someone
get
else.
some off.
Yeah, but do they have to do it?
Well, yeah, I will say call them pussies for the rest of forever.
Did Ian make it all the way through it?
Wasn't
He did.
supposed to come today?
He was. He said he was committed to his couch and football. That's literally the phrasing he used.
He's committed to rooting against the Vikings.
Minnesota sucks.
And the only reason, speaking of records, the only reason Ian did the entire thing is because I did it. And he knew that if I did it and he didn't, I would never, ever stop talking about it.
Although he also claimed that it's because the last sauce was called Megadeth.
That was like his inspiration, I think.
Yeah, that's a more suitable amount.
Kept his heart going. I really want to get a little zoom in here. Like, this is how much you do not do.
That's too much.
This is much smarter. Probably more wing, though.
This is the first time.
And you're in trouble.
Wow.
But he's committed already.
All right.
Oh, we have a response. I don't know if you guys saw the live response, but Ian is saying fake news.
Which means he's watching this and not football, so he's a liar.
I know.
Liars.
Maybe it's the couch?
The couch is
I mean, we do have a couch here that he could use.
You wouldn't fit on that couch.
Sitting.
Oh, this is the green room. I figured out where we are now.
Yes. When bands play, this is their green room. Okay, guys. Nice going, yeah.
Here comes the hurt.
I'm so proud of all of you.
You damn fool. He's going to go into another dimension.
It doesn't even hurt at first. That's the worst part.
That's a trick.
It's the calm before the storm.
Chicken and warm milk. Yeah.
So anyone that's watching should probably make note, if you're going to do this, bring some ice cream, just in case.
No, here's the thing. I just realized what we all need here. Punching bag.
Yeah, why didn't Ian get out here?
He didn't want
Been the
to.
punching bag. He just stood there.
Oh, yeah, that'd have been funny. He could have just stood there.
I mean, after you eat something that hot, you just... Oh, man. You just had a punching bag.
Take it out on something.
You want to take a lap?
Nope.
The whole room is empty. I mean, you can have at it.
Yeah. Mike, you gonna do that hot sauce one? Oh, gosh.
No. No, this does not inspire doing the worm. Because I'd like you to not vomit in here.
Or
I
shit
tried to do
yourself.
the worm last night, but it ended up more as a thud.
It was more of a slug.
Steve, don't make them laugh. Make the hot sauce come out.
The bad part about drinking beer while you do this, well, I found 2 bad things. One is the hot sauce burps.
Oh, God.
And 2 is you chug it and then you feel like you're going to vomit. And you can't finish the whole line.
To be fair, half a gallon of milk will also make you feel like you're going to vomit.
Yeah,
So,
true.
Yeah,
It's designed for dairy.
I want milk, but I can't because I can't drink any more milk.
what if you just hold it in your mouth before you swallow for a little bit?
I've been trying.
Mixed up.
Very That's not the worst idea. No.
I would just purge after each time I did one of them. I'm like, all right, one down, good. We'll be right back.
No,
God,
it's worse.
And how much they burn coming back up.
With the acid. Mhm.
That's the problem.
The acid will just coat.
We lost one.
First one to whip
How you doing, Danger?
Mr. Portuguese.
How's that ankle?
Yeah, and he wants to try the 3.5 million Scoville units one he brought.
I already tried that. That was bad.
Worse than this? Is it worse than this? Alright. That's good.
I would imagine it is much, much worse.
Do you want to talk about that one while we're missing a person?
Yeah, Mike bought this for some reason. It just says flashbang on it right now.
Fancy.
Yeah.
Oh, he's back.
The force is with me.
What?
Yeah, use less than 1 drop of this product.
Yep.
Oh, you
Make sure you did the next one.
may create burning sensation on skin of hot contact. Vomiting and extreme cases loss of consciousness.
Alternative facts.
Not do that. Y'all can think what you want of me.
I don't know, Danger. I'm a little disappointed. What's the point of building this tolerance if you're not going to do
Have
it?
your pinky and the cat.
Oh, I'm too full for this.
All right.
We just need.
Do we have any more questions for them
So full.
I have a question
before they tap out?
Because it's fun to ask this one while they're in a lot of pain.
I'm not sure what's more painful. The fact that I'm so full from drinking so much milk, or that the sauce is so hot.
It's purgatory.
Oh, the afterburn.
Where's the bathroom at?
Got that door. You're right. So while Zack is preparing himself, we have Blair's Megadeth sauce with liquid rage.
Ian's favorite.
It is 550,000 Scoville units. For those unfamiliar with the Scoville scale, your standard... Oh, my mouth is watering too much. Your standard jalapeno is about 800 to 1,000 Scoville units. So this is roughly 550 times hotter than your standard jalapeno.
And explain how they create the Scoville scale.
A Scoville unit is the number of molecules of water it takes to
Displace one molecule.
displace 1 molecule of the capsaicin. Capsaicin is the chemical in peppers that makes things spicy. So it would take 550,000 molecules of water to displace 1 molecule of Blair's Megadeth with liquid rage.
You guys, you all keep like backing up from the table and I can barely still get you in frame. There you go, snuggling.
Is he punching the wall?
An angry ghost.
The ghost of his stomach.
It's alright, we're raised Catholic.
You can always repent.
All of this? We had McDonald's sandwiches and he's putting that shit on the bun.
Nope. I almost did this with McNuggets, but I had to go to Pick and Save to get milk anyway, so. Are you Snapchatting while you're filming?
Yeah.
Of course you are.
Duh.
To be fair, it's my fault.
Yeah, Simon snapped me. I had to watch.
So once again, I've been left at the table.
All by yourself. With no dog to keep you company.
Myself, with my liquid rage.
So how you feeling?
I'm in much more pain with this one than I was on Tuesday. I think it's because I'm doing more of the sauce and because this chicken is dry as shit.
So do we think the KFC strips were a better vehicle?
They were, but they were also much more expensive.
True. So we need people to start donating to this fund, and then they can nominate people.
Or I'm just gonna go to McNuggets. Once our oven is fixed, I'm just gonna make.
You don't have to broadcast my poor person shame for everyone to hear. No, those are spicy.
No, the Tyson ones? In the back.
Oh, I'm so glad you said that because I said Tyson and Danger wasn't a fan.
I was planning to go with Tyson Dinosaurs, actually. Sorry.
Okay,
Tyson Fun.
Yes, yes. I'm down with that. More like dinosaur.
Prize to me is freezing.
God. And the heat's hot in here.
Oh, I'm sure it's warm.
No, it's not. It's not warm. It's cold. I'm freezing.
Dracula building. Here, I'm going to sauce this whole. Zack is in the back.
Just so it has some time to really seep into the meat.
Yeah.
Maybe some of the. I had the opposite idea there.
Still waiting.
Just give it one good Heinz ketchup tap to the back.
Come on, buddy. You can do it.
Does anybody want to check on him? Because I haven't heard any noise in a little bit.
That's it, we lost him.
That's too much.
How much is too much? Let's let the audience see. That is far too much.
Yep, that's too much, but Mama didn't raise no quitter.
If only your mama watched these.
Mama tried.
This board cannot be on board.
So, I think you may want to start with that. You're going to want to start with the full one. So you want the extra chicken.
You have multiple sauces on that one.
Yeah. So when I made my nuclear strength
Chex Mix.
at Christmas, as Adam from the Chestnut Center nicknamed it, Blair's Megadeth sauce with liquid rage was in it.
Is that enough? It's kind of a color.
That's plenty. You're fine.
Yeah, Katie did less than that, and she was
Dying. Just dying.
unhappy. Isn't this the one you spit out?
Yeah, oh, I thought I was going to throw up.
Yeah.
It was so bad. I don't puke, like, ever, and I honest to God thought I was going to throw up, so I had to spit it out.
It's funny because they all smell fantastic. That's how they get you.
Title of your tape.
What's in this one?
Pain. People are watching Mike's.
Ooh. Nobody's watching mine. I'm not in it, though, so none of my followers care. How you doing?
He's back.
I'm gonna tap out.
Oh, you can do it!
I wrote at 9.
So Ian beat you, basically.
An impressive run.
Yeah.
Ian's bigger than me, so he can fit more.
I beat you.
He can fit more food in him. I don't have the stomach capacity for this.
What if you just do a teeny tiny drop on a whole
He
chicken?
just did like a color.
Yeah, you can do it. You can do it.
No, I'm good.
You sure?
Some of it is dare. He won't be.
Do we have any last questions then? Because now he's ready for questions.
Well, I'm going to eat this so I can't breathe. I'm going to ask if both of you, you'll be able to breathe. And
I'm gonna say it loud, both y'all.
It's been a lot of fun.
cheers. Cheers.
Just look at him.
Mic drop.
You might want more chicken. It might help. It's exactly what I did.
Sure you don't want
It's
some
gonna
meat? I feel like you want
focus here. The meat's gonna help. It helps everything.
meat will help you.
This
buddy.
is that point when I'm so glad I tapped out.
Think about it. Yeah, come on back. Come on back.
Find that Zen place.
Simon, our cheerleader.
Yeah.
How you doing?
He's just so meditative about it. Like a monk. A monk of chocolate milk.
The monk of chocolate milk.
Chocolate monk.
I feel so bad for you. You had so much more sauce on that.
Yeah.
He knew what he was doing.
Here's what he did.
Don't feel any sympathy for him.
Well, I can't, in good conscience, have people do this if I'm not going to do it myself. No.
Straight up.
This way my conscience is clear and my colon is dead.
From Dr. Fart Pounder.
No, that one's not bad.
See, now the thing is, I would eat that, but it would have to be the only one I ate.
Just one and done.
You still got time.
I don't have the stomach room.
Did you try stretching? Do some yoga poses?
No, I'm just really, really full.
Yeah, that can help.
I drank almost this whole thing of milk. And that's a lot of milk.
Tried doing squatting dog.
Did you watch ours, the first edition? Because I think the three of us drank about 2.5 gallons.
I can't do it. I can't eat or drink.
Oh,
I'm just sick.
oh boy, are you really gonna?
Oh, girl.
We're gonna focus in on this a little bit.
If you touch your face after touching this one, it will burn. I tested it Friday night.
Finger.
I have eaten
Uh-oh.
this one. See, I've eaten
There's
this
your
one.
drop.
Dip your pinky in it.
And then meat.
I've eaten that one. It's doable, but it was also the only one I
It
ate.
smells like dirt.
That's weird. Can I?
That's it, dirt.
I
Would you like to smell this dirt?
Oh, that doesn't smell good at all.
It's
That
actually
smells
pretty
like
good tasting.
danger.
That
Like
burn.
literal danger.
Oh god, that burns on your finger.
Is your
Oh,
skin
just
dry?
touch your skin, it burns.
Oh boy.
Is that good flavor?
It's
just tastes like straight chili powder.
Does it? Does it?
3.5 mil.
Straight chili powder, huh?
Tastes like straight chili powder and
Oh, no.
Too much.
Oh, went from the guy who had no more room.
He was just full.
Actually,
Oh my gosh.
I love the angry look.
yes!
You did this
perfect.
We are at 15% battery, by the way. DJ.
That's fine.
yeah, put a lid back on that before someone hurts himself. His eyeballs.
Oh, I like this one actually. It's weird because I actually really do like this one. It's not the spicy I mind, it's the fillingness of the chicken and the milk. That's the issue.
Yeah.
I almost feel like I should have some more. No, I'm kidding.
I feel like the thing it does to my voice, like I should be,
Yeah. Sultry singer.
I feel like I should be offering ancient wisdom or something.
Why don't you try a Yoda voice with that?
Kids, don't try this at home.
The sauce has him.
Just to say it, kid.
There you go. There you go.
There you go. We're proud.
Get out of here.
Go for you. Go for you.
Oh, that one tastes bad.
That one doesn't taste good.
I like the way that one tastes.
Oh, you're a sick man. All right, so we've gotten through and we did an extra stupid thing.
All of us. I haven't made it through. I just couldn't do the chicken and the milk.
So proud.
When Rachel Ray did the show, she actually just mainlined the sauce. She did spoonfuls of it.
Oh, when you said mainline, I was like,
No.
I'm like, wow.
I mean, Rachel Ray's a badass, but
Jeez.
Do not inject Blair's Megadeth sauce.
dear Lord.
So I think that's about it from Mike and Zack and myself. So go see Toy Guns at Elixir on March 3rd? March 3rd. Elixir and Downgrade. And this didn't kill them, so they should be there.
Yeah,
Bye.
they have plenty of time to recover. Do you guys want to say bye?
Oh.
Yep, that's his bye.
On that note.